In this video, we're going to look at how we can gift monthly credits to one of your reseller clients. This is perfect if your reseller client is going to send regularly and you need to send 500 credits to them automatically every month. So to do this, we just need to click on which client we wish to do this for. Let's click on Philip. Now with their account details on screen, we just need to click on the edit button up here. This is how we can change their gifted package and credit booster. Now we've clicked on edit, we can see the control panel with sliders. So on the monthly package, at the moment, we can see we're gifting them 100 send credits per month out of our monthly allocation. We can use the slider over here to increase this or decrease this. So let's give them 500 send credits per month. As you do this, you can see our available to gift section automatically updates. When you finish making your changes, click on the close button. If you wish to apply them, now click on Update. Okay, we can now see that we're gifting them 500 send credits every month out of our monthly allocation.